In 2025, the world is no longer flat. Step in, look around, and feel the future unfold in full dimension. We used to talk about virtual reality as if it were the future, a distant dream. But what if the future is already here? In 2025, VR isn't a novelty, it's a necessity. Students are dissecting virtual hearts in biology class. New hires are walking through digital offices on their first day. The learning curve is now a virtual landscape. VR is breaking barriers not just of space, but of the human condition. From therapy to elderly care, from mental health to mobility, immersion is healing, connecting, and liberating. In the workplace, collaboration is no longer confined by geography. We don't just meet online, we build together, side by side, in immersive worlds where ideas move faster than ever. This is more than technology. It's a shift in how we experience reality itself. Education, healthcare, training, exploration, it's all being redefined by the headset on your desk. So the question is no longer when VR will change the world. It's already happening. The real question is, are you ready to step inside? Follow me and let's kick things off together. Step into the new reality. Join the new reality. VR 2025. Virtual reality now. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our latest videos. Cheers for watching. See you next time.